Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use SurFlex screen recorder. So first step, you need to search for SurFlex screen recorder and you need to open the first website that you can use for both Windows and iOS. And here you can see try for free if you want to test out. So you simply need to click on download now and it will start downloading. So I already download this. So here in my programs, so this one, and I already installed. So let me show you. Search for SurFlex screen recorder, open that, and this is the very best recorder that I use so far. So here you can see you have different options. You can record full screen, select region. If you want to record the specific region, so I want to record this region for example, so that region is selected. If you want, you can turn on the webcam and you can record sound as well. So here you can see your sound, and if you want, you can record webcam as well. So here you can see different settings. You can take output in mp4, mov, flv, mkv and avi, and quality you can select hd, original and sd. It is up to you. Frame rate you can select up to 60, so that are the best frame rate, and you can select output folder as well from here. And then you simply need to click on menu, and here you can get technical support as well and check for updates, and click here if you want to take help. Okay, and these here are the in the settings. You can see different advanced settings, different audio settings and different video settings. And now I'm going to show you the pricing. So go on to the pricing section. So let me close this one for example from here, and here you can see that if you want 1 month license, it is in $9.95. If you want lifetime license, it is $39.95, and if you want 1 year license, it costs you $25.95. So it is up to you which package you want. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.